Step 1. Sketch the head and body. Begin by drawing a circle for the head and a simple shape for the body. You can choose to make the body shape more curvy or straight, depending on the style you want to achieve. Step 2. Add guidelines for the face. Draw a vertical line down the center of the circle to help you position the facial features later on. Then, draw a horizontal line across the middle of the circle to help you position the eyes. These guidelines will give you a better idea of where to place the facial features and ensure that they are aligned properly. Step 3. Draw the facial features using the guidelines. Draw the eyes, nose, and mouth. You can make the eyes and mouth as big or as small as you like, and experiment with different shapes. For example, you can draw almond-shaped eyes, round eyes, or even anime-style eyes. For the nose, you can draw a simple triangular shape or something more elaborate. Finally, draw the lips. You can choose to make them thin or full, closed or open, smiling or neutral. Step 4. Add the hair. Draw the hair around the head, making sure to give it some volume and texture. You can choose to draw long, flowing hair, short hair, or even a ponytail. The style of the hair can be influenced by the overall style you want to achieve, so think about the character you're drawing and what kind of hair would suit her. Step 5. Sketch the arms and legs. Draw 2 lines coming out of the body for the arms, and then 2 more lines for the legs. Sketch in the basic shapes for the hands and feet. For the hands, you can start by drawing basic shapes such as rectangles or circles to represent the palms and fingers. The same goes for the feet. It's important to remember that the arms and legs should be proportionate to the body. Generally, the arms should end just above the crotch, and the legs should end just below the hip. Step 6. Add clothing and details. Once you have the basic figure drawn, you can add clothing and any other details you want. You can choose to draw a dress, a shirt and pants, or even a swimsuit. The style of the clothing can be influenced by the overall style you want to achieve, so think about the character you're drawing and what kind of clothing would suit her. You can also add accessories such as earrings, necklaces, or even a bag. When adding details, it's important to keep in mind the overall balance of the drawing. Don't overload it with too many details or it can become cluttered. Step 7. Refine the drawing. Once you have the basic shapes and details in place, you can refine the drawing by erasing any unnecessary lines and adding more detail where needed. Use a pencil or eraser to adjust any parts of the drawing that don't look quite right. You can also add shading and highlights to make the drawing more three-dimensional. Remember that drawing is a skill that takes practice to perfect. Don't be afraid to experiment with different styles and techniques. The more you draw, the better you'll get.